excited to show you this beautiful community located in a prime area of Bacoor, Cavite. Alam niyo ba guys, when in terms of buying or selling a property, location is important, but timing is even more important. And this village package ito. And welcome to Belfort Estates. Sabine is a 4 bedrooms house and lot, 2-story unit, which it has 110 square meter lot area. So dito sa labas, ito yung ating provision for parking. So ayan siya. And you can also use this one as your garden dito sa harap. And then, explore na po natin ang ating bahay. So ito ang ating Sabine unit. Upon entry, ito yung ating living area. So, ayan siya guys. Kasya yung couch. Diyan mo ilagay. Pwede rin L-type, ano? Para pag marami kang guest, kasyang-kasya sila. And you can also put here a center table. Ayan. Tapos may carpet. So, ayan siya. Ganyan. And next to it is our dining area. So, kasya dito, 6-seater na dining table. So, ito si Sabine dito sa baba. Ano lang siya? Open layout. So, we have our kitchen, dining, and our living area. Okay, and dito sa ating left side is our lanay. So, we have access here from living to our lanay. So, ayan siya, oh. Malaki ang iyong space dito. So, malaki yung setback niya. Marami pa kayong pwedeng gawin dito sa gilid. Aside from that, you have your common areas here. This is our linear park. So, pwede kayong maglagay ng upuan dyan. You can have dinner or maybe bonding with your family. Ayan. And let's explore naman po dito sa ating bedrooms dito sa baba. By the way guys, yung kitchen natin nandito sa bandang ito ha. Andyan siya. So may mga storage na din. At meron rin tayong sink. Okay? And let's check our bedroom number 1. So ito siya dito sa baba. So spacious siya. Ayan. At meron tayong awning type na cathedral window. So, ayan, maglagay kayo nitong curtain or pwede din blinds para maliwanag siya. So, ayan, ang ganda, no? Okay. And dito sa baba, we also have our 1 toilet and bath para pag dito nakatira yung elderly natin, eh, meron siyang access dito sa ating toilet and bath. So, ayan, may shower na rin and sink. Okay. And we are now going to explore our bedrooms dito sa second floor. Let's go! Dito sa ating stairs naman, so tiled siya, hindi siya wood. And then, you can put your chandelier dito. Ayan, mahaba para maganda tignan, ano? Kasi high ceiling siya. Okay? And dito naman sa ating second floor, nandito ang ating 3 kwarto. Okay? And let's check our first bedroom. Dito sa ating kanan. Okay, ito siya guys. So, ayan siya. So, spacious naman siya and we have our aircon dito. So, pwede kayong maglagay, mag-install na inyong aircon. And you also have your window dito para maliwanag at maganda yung ventilation. So, you just have to open it para natural lighting. Okay? And now, we are going to check our primary. This is our primary or our master's bedroom. So, ayan siya, napakalaki. Okay, and lots of windows. Malalaki yung windows niya. Kaya talagang aliwanag, ano? And then you can put here, yung ganito, table. You have your own entertainment dito sa ating master's bedroom. And you can even put a couch here para meron kayong tambayan dito habang magkakape or habang mag-bonding kayo sa gabi. Okay? And next to it is meron tayong access sa ating toilet and bath. So, dito sa taas, shared yung ating toilet and bath. So, ayan siya. Malaki yung kanyang toilet and bath. So, ayan siya. So, we have our own door here. At meron na rin siyang shower. And last but not the least is our 3rd bedroom dito sa 2nd floor. Ito naman siya. Pansinin nyo, ang luluwag ng mga kwarto dito, no? Nakakagalaw ka. Look at this, oh. This is meant for children's room. Pero malaki yung kanyang kama, ayan. Kaya maglagay kayo dito ng bunk bed pag marami kang anak, pwedeng-pwede, kasyang-kasya. And then, they also have their cathedral window here. So, ayan, para kita nila ang kanilang mga kalaro sa labas. Ayan, maganda, maliwanag po. Ang ganda, oh. Ang liwanag. Just put curtain or blinds. Alam niyo po ba, in terms of location and timing, package deal itong Belfort Estates kasi located ito next lang po ng Villar City. So kahit anong progress dyan, itatayo nilang building dyan na nagtataasan. Damay po tayo every time tataas ang value ng lupa. Last year, nasa 8 million lang yung mga bahay dito and right now, nasa 10M na po tayo. So, 20% agad yung itinaas natin in just about a year. And right now, we have low inventory. Kaya pag nagustuhan niyo po ito, don't forget to contact my number down below and like, share this video, and follow my account. God bless, guys!